Now we will discuss the difference between PSTN versus Internet. First, learn about PSTN. What is PSTN? PSTN stands for Public Switched Telephone Network. The Public Switched Telephone Network, or PSTN, is the aggregate of the world's circuit switched telephone networks that are operated by national, regional, or local telephony operators, providing infrastructure and services for public telecommunication. Public switched telephone network gateways are third-party hardware components that translate signaling and media between the enterprise voice infrastructure and the PSTN, either directly or through connection to SIP trunks. In either topology, the gateway terminates the PSTN. A telephone network is a telecommunication network used for telephone calls between two or more parties. A landline network, where the telephones must be directly wired into a single telephone exchange. This is known as the Public Switched Telephone Network, or PSTN in short. Here we will see an illustration of a SIP call flow with PSTN gateway. On the left side, you will see a black SIP phone A, a net router. Here we have operator. There's enum database, SIP proxy with database, media proxy. It is connecting to PSTN gateway, and that is connected to SS7 networks. This SS7 networks connected to our normal phone line, that is landline. Now we will see some differences between PSTN and Internet. PSTN voice network use circuit switching. In Internet, it use data network use packet switching. PSTN use dedicated path between calling and called party. In Internet, there is no dedicated path between sender and receiver. In PSTN, bandwidth reserved in advance. In Internet, it acquires and releases bandwidth as it needed. In PSTN network, cost is based on distance and time. On Internet, cost is not based on distance and time,